Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the properties of addition. Okay, so two properties that are very important are order property and grouping property of addition. We are going to have a look at these two properties. So first we'll start with order property. What is order property? Order property is nothing but that the sum of two numbers remain the same even if we change the orders. So the order property as I have told you that a plus b. So if there are two numbers, let's say this is a and this is b. So a plus b is equal to b plus c. So how do you think the questions are going to come on this? See, it will be coming on filling the blank basis. Say for instance, this is the question. Dash plus 7892 is equal to 7892 plus 4723. So you should be able to write here 4723. Okay, so you need to just remember one thing. Order property means that when two numbers can be added in any given order. See, 2 plus 3, what is 2 plus 3, children? 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So you know 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Alright, now let's try the next one. 7652 plus 9002 is equal to dash plus 7652. Yes, you are right, it is 9002. Now let's look at the other property. The next property that I am going to teach you today is grouping property. Grouping property, how can you identify about grouping property? Grouping property has three numbers and it will also always have a bracket. So whenever you see that there are three numbers in addition and there is a bracket, it means that grouping property is being used. So this will also come in same filling the blanks format. All right, we will be giving you certain filling the blanks and you have to do it. Like say for example this question, 16 plus dash plus 20 is equal to dash plus 15 plus 20. So here what is missing is 15. So I'm going to write here 15 and what is missing in this one? 16. So this type of questions are going to come. So I'll just take you through this exercise. 1920 plus 672 plus dash is equal to 672 plus 2453 plus 1920. So this answer here is 2453. Clear is it? Then you have here 90. This one I have already shown you. This is based on order. What is the difference between order property and grouping property? Order property is based on two numbers and grouping property is based on more than two numbers, that is three numbers, and it will always have a bracket. Okay, it means that if you have more than two numbers, okay, three or more than three numbers, let's take it like that. If you have more than three or more than three numbers, then you can group them in any way and the addition sum will remain the same. Okay, for example, if I have 1 plus 2 plus 3, okay, so if I first I am going to do 1 plus 2 in my mind, okay, and then I will add 3. What is the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Alright, but if I do it like this, okay, some of the children will say, ma'am, why can't we do it like this? Okay, just see here. First I will do 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? It is 5 and 5 plus 1 is also 6. So if there are three numbers or more than three numbers, you can group them in any way. This is called grouping property. Order property, if there is two numbers, then you can change the order of those two numbers. What is the difference between order property and grouping property? Order property will have two numbers and there is no bracket. Grouping property will have three numbers and it will have bracket also. Alright, and the questions are not going to come that questions will be coming generally in filling the blanks format. You will not be asked to prove the sum using grouping property or order property. No, simple like this filling the blank questions will come. Okay, and you can do them. See, now this question also I'll help you here. 4567 plus dash bracket plus 5390 and 74653. So which number do you think is missing here? See, I'll just show you. Okay, now see, this number is already written here, right? Then this number already written here. So which is the number that is left? 767461. So the answer here is 7461. Is it clear? Now you have 2378 plus 7890. Okay, You have 2, 3, 7, 8 plus 7. Sorry, where was I? Yeah, here. Let me just show you here with the pen stylus. See, 2378 is here, 2378 is here. Now, 7890 is not here, and 3122 from here is not here. So, what are you going to do? See, here there are two numbers, and here let's strike off one by one. 2378 is there, and 2378 is there. Okay, 7890 is here, 7890 is not here. So, what you will do? Your first thing is, let's write here 7890. Okay, then what I can do is I can strike off the 7890. 23, this is done. 7890, 7890 is done. Now what is remaining? 3122, which is not here. So you will simply write 3122 here. Am I clear, children? Is this concept clear to all of you? Good. Now let's see the next question. Yeah, filling the blanks can come in both the sides, by the way. Okay, you can have a filling the blank here also and a filling the blank on the other side also. Okay, now see, you will be doing 3.4 part 8 and part 9. Let me just show you these questions in the textbook. 3.4 part 8 and part 9. Okay, that means these two questions. I'm sorry, there this is not the edited version of the textbook. Yeah, sorry. 8 and 9. So here 1 2 2 1 plus this is equal to dash plus 1 2 2 1. Okay, now again I'll just give you some hints here. Okay, already 1 2 2 1 is written here, so 1 2 2 1 is cancelled. These two numbers are given, so simply just write these two numbers here. That's all. All right, in the next question we will see that 4747. Let me strike off this. 4747 is here, 4747 is here. So now there is a blank here and there is another number here. So 5382 will come here and 5937 will come here. Is it clear? This number you can just write here and this number can be written here. Practice this, all the questions. 3.4, the whole exercise is very good. From the textbook, you please practice this. This is a new concept for you. Just remember in your mind that there are two properties. See, there are more properties, but that we will do in the next class. Here we are doing order property and grouping property. Order property is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Two numbers in addition can be written in any order. Grouping property is if there are three or more numbers, then they can be grouped in any manner in addition. Okay, complete your classwork, do the homework, and yeah, thank you, students.